What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am Julie. Today we are going to be talking about the major damage I did over at Krissyanne Designs. Alright, so recently Kristen over at Krissyanne Designs celebrated her 11-year anniversary. That is like so hard to believe that she has been a shop owner for so long, but it has also been just amazing to see her grow and all of the things that she does for the community. It has just been awesome. So I've always loved supporting her shop. Well, she recently celebrated her 11-year anniversary, and oh my god, she had an amazing sale, and I got a few things, just a few things. One of the funniest parts of this story is that Kristen shared a reel of her packing up an order, and I was joking around in the comments like, how could you show everyone my order? And then my order arrived and I was like, my order looked just like that. So this is the box that my order came in. I have been ordering from Krissyanne Designs for well over 6 years, and my orders never come in a box so big. One of my favorite parts about this sale is that Kristen brought back the Celebrations collections for prior years, which was my absolute favorite. I was that annoying customer when she announced that that's what she was doing. I was all up in her DMs like, oh my god, because I knew that I had missed 2 years of ordering the Celebrations collection binders. I just wasn't in a place to be able to order those stickers, so I was so excited that that was part of her sale. Now, this haul video will actually include 2 of the 3 orders that I placed in that sale. Was it just 3 orders? Now I need to go back and look. When I tell you guys that I love her sales, and I love her $2 Tuesdays. If you are not familiar with Krissyanne Designs, I will leave a link for you guys down in the description box so that you can get in as much trouble as I am in right now. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys exactly what it is that I ordered. Like I've mentioned in my introduction, Kristen has been releasing the Celebrations collections for quite some time. However, I did miss a few years. I do have the 2021. This was the very first Celebrations collection binder, and my god, I love these things. And then here is 2020, but I was missing these 2 right here, and I love that she put the year on the spine. So I have 2018, it's actually 2017 and 2018, and then I have 2019. So I was just, you guys have no idea how much like the guilt was hitting me that I didn't purchase these 2 years. So this is probably one of my favorite sales that she has ever had, bringing back this collection. So when you do order this collection, you do get the binder. Of course, it has the year and the spine sticker on it. I'm not gonna like go super in detail with these, and there's also this cardboard in here that came in the packaging, and I can only assume that it is to protect the rings, but you do get like some samplers in here, which are great. Let me zoom in the camera a little bit more so that you can at least see a little bit better. But you do get some samplers, like I said, and some of them are very holiday specific or like time of the year specific. I love these, the Hello February, and like just the ones that sort of highlight specific holidays. I love the size of these, and I don't think that at the time the dates were attached to each holiday like they are now. She might have updated this because now it matches the current Celebrations collection, which I love these, because before you just kind of had to guess when these were. And if your planner was undated or just didn't have holidays printed on it, it could be a little tough to match up these dates. I mean, you could always reference your phone, but let's be real. Most of the time I'm not referencing my phone for holidays. I look at my planner. So like I said, you have all of the holidays throughout the year, along with some additional holidays that I love these so much. I've been using these more in my daily because it is a smaller planner, and these stickers take up less space. You also get several weekly kits, which I love. If you recently bought Kristen's Celebrations collection binder, she also releases She also releases matching add-ons for these, so you'll want to keep an eye out. Obviously not for these older books, but for the newer ones she will. So you have like a winter one, spring, another like summer fun one. Here's one for fall. You have a birthday kit, and then you have a Happy New Year's one, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day. I love this, and it matches my nails. I love this one because it's like a Father's Day and Mother's Day like combined in one. I adore these washi strips. Those are so cute. You have a 4th of July, Halloween, and then one for Thanksgiving. And then she also includes these like month headers as well as some birthday event labels and birthday Steves. So that is the one for 2017 and 2018. You guys, I'm so glad I got this. I feel like I got my unicorn when she released these, and I'm just so freaking excited. The next one is the 2019 book. This was the last of this series that I was missing. Again, you do get a binder with the label on the side to show you exactly what it is. And just like the other binder, you have just like a little sampler here that has like all of these celebrate and birthday type things on here. Some additional samplers and some additional, like mainly with Steve ones, and these do coordinate with the kits in the back of the binder, which is awesome. So you have like those mini kits, and then you have some additional pieces to match up with it that you can add to your weekly kit if you wanted to. You have the same page here that has like the hello for each month plus the major holiday for each month, and again the different holidays that fall on each day for the whole freaking year. I love this so much, and the good thing now that I have these older books is that I can use them in multiple planners because these years have already passed, so I have extra, which is awesome. So here we go into the weekly kits. You have the winter one, a spring, summer, and I love the vibe of this one because they're literally like all just kind of labeled up there at the top. So this is more seasonal rather than holiday specific. You have a birthday sheet, New Year's. There is a Valentine's Day one. I love the color scheme of this one just because it's not traditional Valentine's Day colors. You have a St. Patrick's Day, 4th of July, and then Halloween. I love this one as well. Super, super cute. And then there's one for fall, and you have those additional month headers, birthdays, month labels, a lot of stickers jam-packed in here, and then an additional sampler in here as well. All right, so that is that book. Now on to the stickers that I ordered. So like I said, this was 2 orders, so I do have 2 samplers here, one for the books and then one for the actual stickers that I ordered. These are super cute. This is part of like that mermaid kit that I think I'm going to have to go back and actually order because this is actually really, really adorable. I also ordered one of her rainbow sticker vinyls. I fully intend on adding this to my laptop. I thought it was so freaking cute, but yeah, she has a variety of vinyls available in her shop. I ordered a roll of washi. This is going to match the Go Wild Planaheim kit, and I need to find something to help me open this. So this is what the washi looks like. It might be a little bit hard to see, but it does have the animal print kind of muted in the background there, but it does match the Go Wild Planaheim kits that Kristen did, and I already ordered the kits, but she included the washi as part of the sale, so I went ahead and grabbed some of that. All right, another thing that I love about Kristen's sales is that she will bring back prior $2 Tuesdays. And I am telling you guys, that is the time to jump on her sales. I will typically order $2 Tuesdays once or twice a month. I don't order every single one, but when she brings them back in bulk, that is when I will buy like 4 or 5 kits, just because again, they're $2 and you just save on the shipping and all of that to order them all together. So I did get this floral kit, and with these I just stuck with 2 sheets because it seemed to be more than enough. So I got it in this color scheme. This is a different pattern here, but I did grab this one because I thought it was so pretty. I did get some binder labels. I forgot that these were mixed in here, but I do have some additional Krissyanne Designs binders, and I thought that they would look really nice on my shelf if they had these coordinating binder labels. All right, back to the sticker kits. I did get another one of the floral and butterfly kits in this purple, mint, and yes, that is peach. And in the floral, I also grabbed this blue and yellow color. I absolutely love these. I think that these are going to be great for summer. And then I got the pink and just kind of all the colors for this kit. And my nails are matching a lot of these things. So we are here for all of the summer vibes. Now, the big reason why my box was actually so big, and this is going to be the most anticlimactic haul reveal ever, is because I ordered a cup. And let me tell you, the way that they package their cups and pretty much anything that is ceramic or possibly more fragile, they do such an amazing job on the packaging. So of course I had the 2 binders, plus my stickers, some washi, and then this was in a box within the box, making the outer box much bigger. So that's why my box is so big, you guys. I promise I didn't order like thousands of dollars worth of stickers as much as I wanted to, but I am a sucker for a cute cup, and when I saw that this was part of the sale, I knew that I had to have it. I love the pink. I love that it says celebrate your life. It might actually sit on my desk holding some markers. I tend to do that a lot, but this was just way too cute to not add to my cup collection. All right, everyone, so that is it for my Krissyanne Designs haul video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.